Most businesses, they don't blow up because of one big mistake. They bleed out from several small ones that they never see. So if you're running a trade or a service business and the money just never seems to match your effort, you're not alone. It's not laziness, it's not your team, it's drift. Today, I'm going to show you the 3 numbers that stop drift cold. Track them and you take back control. Ignore them and your business will just end up running you. So what you don't measure will drift. Hours drift, cost drift, margins drift, and then the longer you go without looking, the more painful the surprise. I remember we worked with an owner doing a little over $3 million in a year, and he had good reputation, always booked out, but he kept saying the same thing that you've probably said to yourself. We're working nonstop, but where's the money? We pulled 3 months of their jobs. There was nothing really dramatic. No fires, just little leaks everywhere. There was labor that was off on some jobs by a few hours here and a few hours there. Estimates that were based off of memory or old numbers and not the actual data. And then weekly meetings, they were all talk. There was no numbers. There was no actual accountability for anything. Nobody had responsibility or ownership of any of the numbers that they needed to know to move the needle. One job was short by $3,000. Another missed by $1,200. Nothing big. Another, it looked really fine, but it should have made $2,000 more than it actually did. When we added it all up, it was $96,000 that was gone. It was not stolen, it was just never measured. When we fixed his tracking, his margins jumped by 14 points in just 7 weeks. Same crews, same job levels, same pricing, just actual visibility in the whole process. So this part is simple. You only need 3 numbers to stop the drift. The labor efficiency, how many dollars you earn for however many hours your team actually works. If this is off, everything's off. The next one is going to be job margin, what you thought you'd be making versus what the reality is, what you actually made. Track every job, not just the big ones. And then the last one is a short scoreboard. And then you review that every week with your team and all the responsible individuals. The jobs completed, the number of jobs started, your labor efficiency rate, your margin, and the actual cash collected. This is going to give you the structure, it's going to remove the emotion, and it's going to tell you exactly what to fix before the damage starts to stack up. Now, before we keep going, let me just give you something here free that saves a ton of time. I built a quick diagnostic that shows every bit of your business and shows you exactly where your drift is actually happening. It's the same one we use internally here with our clients. It takes a few minutes, but it gives you clarity fast. And there's 2 ways you can grab it. There's going to be a link in the description below, but there's also going to be a QR code that we're going to put up here on the screen. So if you want, you can get the answers right now. This is, basically going to be the tool that will get you there. And then that way, you know exactly what's going on in your business and you have crystal clarity without having to re-engineer everything. Now, once you track these 3 numbers, your business, it's going to stop surprising you. You know then exactly which jobs are making money, which ones don't, and then you know where the team really is starting to slip, and you can see the problems early while they're still easily fixed. And so the reality is most business owners, they can run then, on the facts. Most of the owners these days, though, they're running on gut feeling. You don't have to do that. You can run on facts, and the facts are going to help you to win. So you don't need to have a huge overhaul the whole company this week. Just start with the next 5 jobs. Track the hours, track the margins, look at the gap, and then it'll teach you more about your business in the last 2 years combined of actually running it. So if you want the shortcut, grab the diagnostic here in the link in the description below, or hit the QR code on the screen, or you can connect with me on Instagram at John Ray, Ray being spelled R-E-A-Y. And then that way you can comment to me profit map and I'll send it directly to you there. Look, drift compounds, so does discipline. So if you start measuring, you can actually get your profit back right now.